For topic number 4, chain rule. For chain rule, I will explain the chain rule, which is when we differentiate composite function or function inside another function. Ito, a composite function looks like this. Ang gawin natin is y, f, g, x, x. Ayan. Ganito siya tingnan yung chain rule. The chain rule gives us the derivatives of this nested function. The rule states that dy over dx g x multiplied by g prime x. Ayan. And in simple terms, differentiate the outside function, keep the inside the same, multiply by the derivatives of the inside function. Ganun. Ito example natin is example y equals to 3x plus 1 5 to the fifth power. Here the inside of the function is gx. Ito, gx. G over x is equals to 3x plus 1. Yan yung inside niya. And the outside of function is something raised to the fifth power. Ito, yung outside. Ayan. Step 1. Derive of the outside. Derive natin yung outside. Outside. Derive. So, mangyayari is 5 inside to 4. Yan. Step 2. Multiply by derive of inside. Multiply natin yung yung derivative of inside pala. Derivative of ito is g prime x equals to 3. So, ang mangyayari is y prime 5 3x plus 1 4 multiply by 3. And another example na ginagamit ang trigonometric functions is y is equals to sine 4x. Yan. Derivative of sin is cos. So, sasabi dito sin is cos. Yan yung derivatives niya. But the inside is 4x. Yun. Yung sasabi dito, derivative of sin is cos. Pero yung inside niya is 4x. Ang mangyayari dyan is y prime equals to cos 4x multiplied by 4. Yan. Yung chain rule, lumalabas siya madalas in exponential, logarithmic, trigonometric, and even implicit differentiation problems. Isa ito sa mga pinaka-importante na rules in calculus dahil marami sa mga real-world na functions are composites, such as growth models, motion equations, temperature functions, and more.